Neha, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. If you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to my channel. Today I am opening the TopBox subscription box. So with this, like I've mentioned before, I get it every mid of the month, and I am going to be opening it up. So one thing that I like about this is that when it got delivered to me, I received an email from Canada Post. If you are getting it if you are in Canada, they will send you an email saying that it has been delivered, and then we just went to go and check out our mail, and there it was. So let's do this. Can you guys see? Ooh. Alright, so first things first is that they always send us a like their little card. It just shows like their social media, and then at the back of it, it just says, hey, your box is here, and enjoy, and you know, all that fun little stuff. This is, what is this? Oh, this is, I guess, a W for a perfume, eau de parfum, parfum, Sunset Riot, and it is available at Hudson's Bay. This might be in there. Let's check it out, or maybe it's just a an advertisement. Oh, there it is. So I got a sample of it. It is. What is this? Incense City All Saints Eau de Parfum, and it is a little. Let's see. Let's smell it actually. Okay. I would wear this. So that's definitely going into my perfume collection there. The next item that I have. Oh, 3-step perfect. So it is Manakadar Beauty. So this one is a 3-in-1 highlighter, shadow, contour, and yeah, I'll definitely give that a try for sure, especially with it being a highlighter and contour. I mean, a girl's got a contour, right? And you know, it's all about that glow. Okay, what's this big thing here? Oh, it looks like, I love how they bubble wrap these because I absolutely love bubble wraps. Let's do this. Alright, okay, I'm just gonna put this here. Sorry, all of my mess is right here. So, oh, that's pretty. You see this? It is like a greenish, I don't know, bluish greenish. It is called Pretty Women Nail Polish and not tested on animals. So it's from the company Pretty Women. Let's see the color actually. I don't know if you can get this. Oh, do you see that? Okay, next up. Okay. Fisherman. So this one is, I have one of this. It's a different flavor or scent. It is a lip chap. So it's from the Fisherman brand. They are actually a local, I should say in Canada, local brand from Nova Scotia. So I actually like using this because when you're wearing it, it actually does feel a lot better than other lip chaps that you're wearing, because I've noticed some of them actually make your lips even drier, but this one, it works amazing. Again, this one is from Fisherman, and this one is a, hold on, let me see if I can pronounce this, sea buckthorn citrus. Sea buckthorn citrus. So I'm guessing it smells like citrus and probably tastes like it too. Alright, and last but not least is guessing it is an eyeliner. Maybe I'll open it up and see. Because I kind of need an eyeliner right now, so this would actually be perfect. I have my shopping list, and I did put eyeliner on there, so that would be super handy right now. So, oh, it is. Check it out. Perfect. Then that's the kind of eyeliner that I use too. So, and this one is from Cleo Noir. I think that's the, yeah, that's all it says right here. Let's see this. Perfect. So with all of this, again, I got it for $15. Shipping is included, so it's free shipping for, so $15 for all of this. And if you think about it, with 5 items that I have here, it would have been just about $5, but in reality, if you go buy, let's say, just the nail polish, it's most likely about $10 for a nail polish. So again, I love this subscription box, and I just think it's a great way of, you know, just promoting new makeup that you've never used before, and maybe even things that you never thought about using before. Considering, you know, like, I don't know, maybe contour. If you've never contoured before, why not try this out? And then if it's in 3-in-1, it's an eyeshadow too. I mean, you can always just, you know, play around with it. So I do post videos up every Wednesdays. Please do check it out. And again, I will be doing more like lifestyle videos. And please do subscribe to my channel, you know, comment and like my video. Thank you for watching.